Trucks often get stuck on train tracks and uneven grounds because the tracks are typically raised slightly above the surrounding road surface, creating a hump that can easily catch the underside of a truck, especially when it has a low clearance trailer, causing it to bottom out and become stuck. This is further compounded by uneven terrain around the crossing, which can add to the difficulty of navigating the track smoothly. What would you do in this situation? What would you have done differently? Comment below, like and follow. We can learn from each other. Drive safely and have a nice trip.